In a world that's just nonstop noise and notifications, a hero needs to rise up, someone to cut through all that chaos. And guess what? That hero is you. Welcome to your training arc.
All right, let's get right into it. The main quest in our modern saga, it's not about slaying dragons or monsters. Nope, it's about fighting distraction. And as the great sage David Allen said, true power, your real strength, it comes from clarity. You know, a calm mind, that's what forges the sharpest blade. So, I gotta ask you a serious question. Are you tired of being a side character in your own story? Are you finally ready to step into the spotlight, get into that training ground, and unlock your true potential? I thought so. Your journey starts right now.
Okay, every hero needs a quest log, right? Here's ours. We're gonna define the quest, harness our brain's power, choose our weapon, battle some inner demons, and then unleash our ultimate form. Let's do this.
All right, Chapter 1, the Productivity Quest. Look, our enemy isn't some big, scary monster you can just punch. It's way tougher. It's the final boss of the 24/7 world, this constant stream of information, multitasking, and distractions. This is a battle for the one thing you can't get back, your attention.
So, here's your mission should you choose to accept it. You're going to transform from a distracted beginner into a focused master. You're going to take all that chaos and turn it into order. It's time to unlock the power that's been waiting inside you this whole time. Before you can level up, you gotta know your character sheet, right? You need to understand those hidden stats that control everything you do. So, let's pop the hood and harness your brain's inner power. Okay, let's talk about something called reward prediction error. Basically, this is your brain's built-in XP system. It's super simple. When something goes better than you thought it would, bam, you get a hit of dopamine. But here's the thing, it's not just about feeling good. That dopamine is a signal from your brain that's literally screaming, hey, do that again. That's how we level up our habits.
And this is how you master it. We'll call it the dopamine combat combo. It's a 3-hit move. 1, you expect a reward. 2, you see the outcome. And 3, bam, the reward signal hits. The more you land this combo on good habits, the stronger those brain connections get. You are literally reprogramming your own mind for success. It's awesome.
Every hero needs a signature weapon, and in our quest, our weapons are productivity systems. Now listen, there's no one-size-fits-all legendary sword here. You have to pick the one that fits your fighting style. So, welcome to the armory.
All right, let's look at the gear. First up, we've got GTD, getting things done. Think of this as a flexible longsword, perfect for slashing through all that mental clutter. Then there's Zen to Done. This is more like a monk's staff, simple but powerful, for building habits one disciplined strike at a time. And finally, Kanban. This is the strategist's war map, letting you see the entire battlefield from start to finish. So, which will you choose? Ready to spec into an advanced skill tree? This is for the players who want to go pro. It's called Personal Knowledge Management, and the special move here is the PARA method. It's a system for organizing your entire digital life into 4 clean buckets: projects, areas, resources, and archives. Seriously, think of it like a perfectly organized inventory for all your loot and quest logs. It's a game changer. Okay, you've got your quest, you've got your weapon. You know what that means. It's time for the training montage. This is where we face our inner demons: procrastination, distraction, self-doubt. This is where the real work happens. Let's get to it.
The first boss we're fighting is something called cognitive load. The best way to think about this is like your mental stamina bar in a video game. Every little decision you make, every notification you check, every tab you have open, it drains that bar. And when it hits 0, game over. You're hit with burnout and decision fatigue. So protecting that stamina bar is absolutely crucial.
So how do you refill the bar? You use potions, of course. We're talking about things like simplifying your workspace, focusing on one and only one task at a time, and using to-do lists to get stuff out of your head. And taking breaks. Taking a break isn't a sign of weakness. It's a strategic move. It's how you chug that stamina potion so you can jump back into the fight even stronger.
All right, let's learn a defensive technique. It's called positive friction. Think of it like a perfectly timed parry in a fighting game. You're intentionally adding one tiny little step to stop yourself from doing something mindless. You know that little pop-up in Gmail that says, hey, did you forget the attachment? That's positive friction. It breaks you out of autopilot and saves you from making a huge mistake.
It's basically a countermove against your own worst habits.
You've trained hard. You've fought your demons. You are stronger now. It is time to put all of this training together. It's time to go to the next level. It's time to unleash your ultimate form.
This right here, this is the goal. This is what all the training has been for. We're talking about the legendary flow state. You know that feeling when you're so locked in, the time just melts away? Where the challenge is tough, but you're rising to meet it perfectly? That's it. That's your ultimate power-up. This is your Super Saiyan mode.
And look, in the modern world, there's a legendary item you can equip to help you reach that next level. AI. No joke. The data shows that industries that are actually using AI are seeing productivity growth up to 4 times higher. This isn't just some minor upgrade, people. This is a legendary power-up for your entire quest.
Okay, the training montage is over. You've learned the moves. Now your real quest begins. And every adventurer needs a map to chart their course.
And here it is, your world map. This brilliant framework comes from David Allen, and it's called the 6 Horizons of Focus. Look at how it works. It connects the tiny things you do every single day, right down here on the ground, all the way up to your ultimate life's purpose, way up at 50,000 feet. This map ensures that every single step you take, every task you check off, is moving you closer to that epic destiny you're building for yourself.
So that's it. Your basic training is complete. But your story, oh, it's just getting started. You've got the weapons, you've got the map, you have the power. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it? Your saga begins now. Go level up your life.